Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain moments. First of all, question is that what is a moments? Moments are used to understand the various characteristic of a frequency distributions. Moments are the constants of a populations. Moments are the constants of a population as the mean variance etc. First of all, how to compute the moment about a given point. So question is the rth moment of a variable x about any point x is equal to a. This point, it may be origin, usually denoted by mu rth moment dash or mu dash rth moment, and is given by mu dash r is equal to 1 upon n summation fi xi minus a to the power r, or this is equal to 1 upon n summation fi di to the power r, where di is equal to xi minus a and n is equal to summation fi. Mu dash r is the moment about any point, say x is equal to a, or about the origin. Now next is the rth moment of a random variable x. The rth moment of a random variable x about the mean x bar or mu, also called the rth central moment. Rth central moment is defined as mu r is equal to expectation of x minus mu to the power r, where r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So if r is equal to 0, so it follows as it follows that mu 0 is equal to 1, mu 1 is equal to 0 and mu 2 is equal to sigma square. Sigma square means the second central moment, that is the second central moment or second moment about the mean, or second moment about the mean is the variance, is the variance. So so therefore mu r is equal to summation x minus mu to the power r into fx, or for every I, this is xi minus mu to the power r f of xi. If x is discrete variable and mu r is equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity x minus mu to the power r fx dx, if x is continuous variable. Is the continuous variable. Now the other special case is mu1 dash is equal to mu. By using mu1 dash is equal to mu and mu0 dash is equal to 1, so we obtain mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu square. mu3 is equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu plus twice of mu cube, and mu4 is equal to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu plus 6 mu2 dash mu square minus 3 mu 4. So in this way we can compute the moments, that is moments about the mean, moments about the mean. So also we can write mu2 dash is equal to mu2 minus, because mu1 dash is mu, so minus plus mu square. mu3 dash is equal to mu3 plus 3 mu2 mu plus mu cube, and mu4 dash is equal to mu4 plus 4 mu3 mu plus 6 mu2 mu square plus mu to the power 4. So in that case, if we compute the moments about the mean, so using these, and if we compute the moments about the any point or the origin, so using these relations. Now next one, Pearson's beta and gamma coefficients. Pearson's beta and gamma coefficients. Beta 1 is equal to mu3 square upon mu2 cube, and beta 2 is equal to mu4 upon mu2 square. Gamma 1 is equal to under root of beta, and gamma 2 is equal to beta 2 minus 3. So first one is the Pearson beta coefficient, and second one is the Pearson gamma coefficient. So properties. Moments are the constants of a populations. Moments are the constants of a population as the mean, variance, standard deviations, etc. These constants help in deciding the characteristics of the population, and on the basis of these characteristics a population is discussed. This is first case. Second, moments help in finding arithmetic mean, standard deviation, and variance of the population directly, and they help in knowing the graphic shape of the population. Third point, moments are to find the central tendency, dispersion, skewness, and kurtosis of a distribution. Fourth point, in mechanics, moments are used in the turning or the rotating effect of a force. So the first moment define the mean. Second, central moment define the variance. Third, standardized moment represent the skewness, and the fourth, standardized moments represent the kurtosis. That is, with the help of the moment we characterize the mean, variance, skewness, and kurtosis. Now I am explain this concept, that is the moments, with the help of a numerical problem. And one more important concept or the topic in the moments is known as the moment generating function. Moment generating function. the moment generating function MGF, the moment generating function of variable x is defined by mx of t is equal to expectation of e raised to the power tx, that is assuming convergence, mx of t is equal to summation e raised to the power tx fx if x is discrete variable and integral minus infinity to plus infinity e raised to the power tx, this is small x, e raised to the power tx fx dx if x is a continuous variable. So here I am taking the example based on the moments and moment generating function. Now question is, a random variable x has density function f of x is equal to 2 times of e raised to the power minus 2x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and 0 if x is less than 0. Then find number 1 the moment generating function, number 2 the first 4 moments about the origin, now explanation of this problem. First part is moment generating function. So as we know that the moment generating function mx of t is equal to e expectation of e raised to the power tx, and because random variable x has the density function, in that case this random variable is a continuous random variable. So this will be integral minus infinity to plus infinity e raised to the power tx fx dx. So mxt is equal to integral 0 to infinity, because minus infinity to 0 function, because x is less than fx is 0. So in that case minus infinity to 0 fx is 0 and 0 to infinity fx is 2 e raised to the power minus 2x. So this is e raised to the power tx 2 e raised to the power minus 2x dx, and this will be 2 times of integral 0 to infinity e raised to the power t minus 2 of x dx. Now integrate this integrand function with respect to x. So this will be 2 into integral of e raised to the power t minus 2x is e raised to the power t minus 2x, and in the denominator derivative of t minus 2x with respect to x is t minus 2, and taking the limit 0 to infinity, taking upper limit, then taking upper limit. So this will be e raised to the power minus e raised to the power infinity is equal to 2 upon 2 minus t, assuming t is less than 2. That is, if t less than 2, then this is negative, and e की power minus infinity is equal to 0 and e की power 0 is equal to 1. So in that case, this is the moment generating function for the given problem. Now next one, second part, the first four moments about the origin. So in that case, the first four moments about the origins are: if mod t is less than 2, so 2 upon t minus 2 is equal to 2 upon 2 times of with negative 2 times of 1 minus 1 minus t upon 2. Sorry, this is not, this is 2 upon 2 minus t, because we compute the moment generating function 2 upon 2 minus t. So this will be 2 upon, taking 2 is common, so 1 minus t upon t, 2 is cancelled, so this is 1 upon 1 minus t upon 2. So this will be 1 minus t upon t to the power minus 1, and using the binomial theorem, 1 minus x की power 1 minus x की power minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on. So this will be 1 plus t upon 2 plus t square upon 4 plus t cube upon 8 plus t 4 upon 16 plus and so on. But moment generating function mx of t is equal to 1 plus mu t plus mu 2 dash t square upon 2 factorial plus mu 3 dash t cube upon 3 factorial plus mu 4 dash t 4 upon 4 factorial. So compare this expression with this. So we obtain mu is equal to 1 upon 2, mu 2 dash is equal to 1 upon 2, mu 3 dash is equal to 3 upon 4, and mu 4 dash is equal to 3 upon 2. That is, here the coefficient of t is mu, and here the coefficient of t is 1 upon 2. So mu is equal to 1 upon 2. Here the coefficient of mu 2 dash is t square upon 2 factorial, and here is t square upon 4. So it means this is 2 factorial is 2. So mu 2 dash is equal to 1 upon 2. Similarly, mu 3 dash, mu 4 dash. So these are the first four moments about the origin. Now another question is, find the first four moments number 1, about the origin. Number 2, about the mean. 4, a random variable x having density function f(x) is equal to 4x upon 81 9 minus x square if x is lying between 0 and 3 and 0 otherwise. So explanation of this problem, given f(x), that is probability density function. So first part is mu 1 dash, means expectation of x. So this will be integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f(x) dx, because random variable x is a continuous random variable. So this is in the range 0 to 3. Fx is 4x upon 81 9 minus x square dx, or this will be 4 upon 81 integral 0 to 3 x square 9 minus x square dx, and integrate this integrand function with respect to x and taking limit 0 to 3, then we obtain 8 upon 5, and this is equal to first moment about the origin. So this is equal to mu. Now mu2 dash is equal to expectation of x square, and this will be integral minus infinity to plus infinity x square fx dx, and mu2 dash is equal to 4 upon 81 integral 0 to 3 x cube 9 minus x square dx, and integrate this integrand function with respect to x and taking limit x, upper limit x is equal to 3 minus lower limit x is equal to 0, then we obtain 3. Now third moment, mu3 dash is equal to expectation of x cube, and this will be minus infinity to plus infinity x cube fx dx, and this is integral 0 to 3 4 upon 81 x to the power 4 9 minus x square dx, and integrate this integrand function with respect to x and taking limit, and after simplification we obtain 216 upon 35. And fourth moment about the origin, mu4 dash is equal to expectation of x to the power 4 is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x4 fx dx, and this is 4 upon 81 0 to 3 x to the power 5 9 minus x square dx, because fx is given, and after simplification we obtain 27 upon 2. So in that case, by using these formula we can compute the moments about the mean. Here in the previous question, this one compute the moment generating function and the first four moments about the origin. So here first of all compute the moment generating function, this one, and expand this with the help of the binomial theorem, then we obtain this expression, and this expression compare with this, that is moment generating function, and this obtain with the help of the Taylor series and compare the both expression, then we obtain the this one is mu1 dash, that is first moment about the origin, and compare the like powers coefficient, so we obtain first four moments about the origin. Or if given function this, and compute the first four moments about the origin by using these formulas, so we can apply any one of the method. So second part is the moments about the mean. Moments about the mean means mu. So first one, mu1 is 0 always. Now mu2 is mu2 dash minus mu square. Mu2 dash, here compute the mu2 dash is 3, that is 3 minus mu is 8 upon 5, mu is 8 upon 5, so 8 upon 5 square, and this will be 11 upon 25, this is variance sigma square. Now mu3 is equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu plus 2 mu cube. In that case this will be mu3 dash means 216 upon 35 minus 3 into mu2 dash is mu2 dash is 3 into mu is 8 upon 5 plus 2 into mu is 8 upon 5 whole cube, and simplify this we obtain minus 32 upon 875. Now mu4 is equal to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 minus 4 mu3 dash mu plus 6 mu 2 dash mu square minus 3 mu to the power 4, and mu 4 dash means 27 upon 2 minus 4 into mu 3 dash is 216 upon 35 into mu is 8 upon 5 plus 6 into mu 2 dash is 3 multiply by mu is 8 upon 5 square minus 3 8 upon 5 to the power 4, and simplify this with the help of the calculator. So we obtain 3693 upon 8750. So these are the first four moments about the mean, and these are the first four moments about the origin. So in this way we can compute the moments about the origin as well as about the mean. So this is the procedure to compute the moments. So in the next class I will explain the kurtosis and skewness. Thank you very much.